Hey, Steve Zelenar here with Treviso Realty. Happy Monday morning. If you're in Florida right now, the weather is absolutely great. We actually headed off to Vanderbilt Beach on Saturday, and perfect weather. High 80s, you had no umbrella. We didn't need an umbrella. You kind of sat in the sun, watched the sunset. The weather in the water, like the weather's perfect. The water's actually probably low 80s, so it's refreshing right now, not like it was in July and August. Also, just another thought on this as well. Now the oceans are cooling down, which is great. And you know why? Because for hurricane season, a warm sea gives this hurricanes more fuel to be larger. And as you can see now, we're October 13. We're almost out of hurricane season. When are we out of hurricane season, Trent? Is that November? Yeah. So we're almost out of hurricane season. We had no storms at all, no high winds, anything like that. And again, just remember, DeSantis, our governor, banned all cloud seeding as of this year, and it's a federal offense, and they're checking private airports. If there's any plane caught with any of these chemicals or any of these spraying mechanisms, it's a federal offense and felonies attached to that. So it'd be wise they didn't do it. And again, our weather's been fantastic. We've had no great storms. And when we originally migrated to the west coast of Florida, was based on the less storms amount than the Atlantic. But the Atlantic usually gets bombed and the Gulf does not. So again, the last 3 years it's been the opposite, but as of this year we've been perfect. So yeah, short story there. Current inventory, we're at 18,886 units, so we're up about 300. Just remember, we are mid-October with Snowbirds are starting to come in. We're starting to see the car loaders coming in, like the 3-car haulers and all the trailers with vehicles. So a lot of the Snowbirds are starting to come in. They'll spend some time here, then head back up north, and then come back. They'll be back and forth, and we are starting to see our roads pack up, which is great. Usually what that happens is if they had intentions on selling, they usually list during this coming months right now, and obviously into our main season where it's like Jan to April is where a lot of the sales happen. Ultimately, a lot of the inventory will be packed up there as well. So, but we're looking in good shape as we're listed and selling properties right now, and opposed to like a 300 a day sale, we're down to average of 78 to 58 days in the market right now, which is fantastic. The market has changed dramatically. I think I did a report last week, and I'll just say it again. March we're at 10.7 months of inventory, and we're down to about 5 months, just around there. So we've lost about 45% of inventory in the last few months here, 7 months. Also, days on market cut down about 45 to 50% from 78 days in the market to around 48 days, which is fantastic. So everything's looking very positive going forward. I just wanted to get into even what the inventory is with Lennar, because Lennar right now, you kind of see their quick move-ins, where we have literally 400 quick move-ins in the second quarter, 100 quick move-ins in the third quarter, and I'm just getting numbers now. Let me see if I can get it. I don't have the numbers quite yet. I'm supposed to get an email shortly, but it has not come in. So we'll report on that later. But if we were at 400 second quarter, 100 third quarter, we're going to be down probably 50 to 25 by now, because even if you look at the Lennar website, even with all the properties that we were buying through different communities, there's like one community used to have around 15 to 20 quick move-ins that were listed. And then they would have a backlog of them on an Excel spreadsheet. Those are our special deals list. Now there's only like 6 or 5 listed right now. And if you kind of see the pricing on everything, they're very escalated compared to, let's say, about 2 months ago, 2-3 months ago. So again, market's looking great down here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll keep you guys posted on anything else happening here in Southwest, and have a great day. Bye-bye.